We have a fuel filter. Never seen one like this one. We also have an oil filter. I have a new sump plug and a crusher washer. So we'll be replacing the oil filter and the petrol filter. I'm already getting the oil out already, so did not record that. That's the old sump plug. This is the new oil that we will be putting in the car. So this pipe is a bit long. So what I want to do with this pipe is to shorten it a bit. And also on the other side of the carburetor, that pipe is also way too long. I will be shortening that pipe as well. So as we walk around this side, I do have a gasket for the Tappet cover. There you go. This is a Victorian's brand. I also have a Tappet cover. Diving back in the front of the car, I will be starting by loosening my fuel filter. Don't mind my screwdriver right there. Still a work in progress. We are now done loosening, so we can remove that pipe that we said we're gonna shorten. I was attempting to remove the petrol filter from the pipe on the other side, but I just ended up deciding to remove the whole pipe as it was cracked. So from the piece that I'll be cutting on the other side, I'll be adding it on the side of the fuel filter. There it is. It's out. And this whole thing can just go to the bin. I've already measured the length that I want. I'm just gonna make a cut. The piece that I've cut, I'm gonna screw onto the fuel filter on the other side so that I can return it, and then it will attach to the part where we cut. It's back in there. All that I need to do now is to tighten the clamp. We are now attaching the other side to the fuel filter. We are done replacing the fuel filter. So now we will be replacing the Tappet cover. So to remove the Tappet cover, we need to remove the air filter first, because the air filter sits on top of the Tappet cover. After the air filter has been removed, now we can remove all of these nuts that surround the Tappet cover. After loosening all of the nuts, it's now time to remove the tappet cover. But there seems to be something that's keeping it from being removed, but I just wiggled it up until it eventually came out. After removing the old tappet cover, it's now time to put everything back in. So we'll start by replacing the gasket. It comes with this half moon that I'm going to put first. We have this one that goes on the vernier side of things. Now we reinstall the gasket, being careful not to tear it apart. Air filter is now going back in. We're gonna tighten the sump plug now. Probably not this tight, but that's how I did it. While we are down here, I noticed that the sump is a bit sweaty with oil. So this tells me that it's either the gasket has perished or maybe some of the nuts loosened up. So I'll just tighten them up to see if that fixes the problem. We are now getting ready to start the car. So let's just put the oil and then start it up.